This episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can earn 20 cents per video like. This video will be composed of 3 parts: the setup, how much money I made, and if there are any other opportunities out there that are better suited for your time. So watch this entire video if you've seen this video and you wonder if it works. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this video. This video is pretty popular. It was uploaded just 8 days ago and it already has 29,000 views. So I wanted to test it to see if it worked because I know a lot of people out there are struggling. They're looking for ways to make ends meet. And what better way to make ends meet by simply liking videos. So let's go ahead and jump into part 1, which is the entire process. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to a website and create a free account. You're, I assume, an adult. I'm not going to walk you through that process. But once you create an account, you are simply going to make sure that you have your YouTube channel activated, so logged in, signed in, and then you're just going to go over to this web page and you are going to like different accounts. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. It is literally that easy. It is stupid easy. And you guys, hopefully, if you've seen my content before, you know what I think about content that is easy. Content that is easy doesn't normally pay you very well. And so in most instances, I tell you to stay far, far away. As you can see, this is what the back office looks like. What you'll do is you'll come all the way over here on the left-hand side. You are going to look for YouTube likes, click on YouTube likes, and then if you have likes, you're just going to click like and you're going to watch the video. Now, I actually did this for just under an hour, about 45 minutes, and it's really simple. I can't emphasize enough how easy or simple this is. You click the like button, you watch it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then after you watch it, you close it. And then the numbers go up. Now, the cool thing about this process is that the points that you get for liking, they're not static. Sometimes they're 3, sometimes they're 6, sometimes they're 10, and it kind of makes it kind of like a game. So that's a pretty cool thing. It's really easy. Now, I actually did this, as I mentioned, for 45 minutes while I was watching other YouTube videos, just hanging around, simply clicking buttons. As you can see, confirm once you're done. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about how much money I made and if you should do this. Quite honestly, I don't know how much money I made because I can't find that anywhere. If you look at this website, it doesn't say anywhere where you can actually withdraw money. If I take a look at my regular user account, it says the minimum AMF withdrawal, which is 1,000. I don't know. That's the cool thing about this process is you can accumulate points. I'll tell you how much I accumulated in just a moment. You can accumulate points, but I don't know that you can actually withdraw them. Now, you can buy points, as you can see over here on the screen. You can buy these points, but it doesn't say how to withdraw them. You can exchange these points for other things. So maybe you have a TikTok account and you want to inflate your following account. You could use this to help you get more TikTok followers. That's one way to use it, but nowhere on here can I find how much this is actually worth. The other weird thing is that this account or this website has its own cryptocurrency. So you could exchange the points that you earn, and I'll reveal how much I earned in just a moment. You can reveal the points that you earned for the Add Me Fast cryptocurrency. Now, if we look at this, this is what the crypto is worth. So the crypto is worth 0.004355. I don't know, it doesn't give me a conversion rate. We could take a look at Bitcoin and see how much this is worth compared to Bitcoin. If we look over here, some of the other cryptos. Now, I am in no way a specialist. I don't know really anything about cryptocurrency, but 0.004355 probably isn't very good. If we look at crypto, if we look at Bitcoin, excuse me, Bitcoin is at 39,000. So one Bitcoin would equal $39,000 US dollars, just over that. And if we look at some of these other cryptos, they're all a little bit better, I would assume, except for this Carrot Classic. It looks like it's doing much worse. But the fact of the matter is, once you earn points, and again, I'll reveal exactly how many points I earned in just a second, you can't really convert them to cash. So even if this was a very truthful, very honest video up until this point, it falls on its face because there's absolutely nowhere that you can go to actually earn cash. Again, I looked at my profile. I looked at, if I scroll down here, I looked at my user settings. There's different levels of users, but I don't see that there's a way to withdraw money. As I've said before, where's the money, Lebowski? And quite honestly, I don't know. There is absolutely no way to withdraw this money. And so that's an unfortunate thing, because the premise of the original video was that we could actually make 20 cents just by clicking, and I would earn points every 15 to 20 seconds simply just liking. And before I continue, there's a couple things that I would be cautious of. Doing this for money is probably against YouTube's terms of service. It's probably a violation. You should not be liking videos in order to get paid. This is a violation. And so what I actually did is I had a testing YouTube account that I don't really care about if I lose it. I used that account. If you're going to do this, don't do this with a YouTube channel that you care about, because what could very well happen is if YouTube does a sweep, your account gets deleted because you're violating terms of service. So understand that as we continue on. So let's talk about, I guess, part two, officially part two, how much money I made. I made absolutely $0 with this, but I earned 170 points. And let's talk about those points for a second. I only earned 170 points in 45 minutes. And the reason is, eventually, if you do this long enough, you'll run out of YouTube videos to like. And so again, you can see I can get 10 points here. I'll just show you how to do this in real time. But if there isn't another video for me to like after this, it'll tell me to check back later. And so what I had to wind up doing is simply refreshing the screen over and over and over and over again, hoping to get another video to like. Okay, so 15 seconds, close it, click confirm. Okay, so I could do it again. But eventually, in very short order, you will run out of videos to like. And I'll tell you to check back later. Now, I guess I could have done other things within this platform in order to continue to make money, but the premise of the video was to get paid for likes. And what the original content creator is probably doing, I haven't gone and looked at all of his videos, but the original content creator is probably doing, honestly, is he's made an original video about how you could make money with this process. Then he puts his referral link, because there's a referral link down here where you can earn lifetime 5% points. He puts his referral link in the description of his content, and then when people watch the original video and they join this hoping that they can make money, he gets lifetime 5%. And so then he can make another video in 2 or 3 weeks talking about how many points or how much money he made, and then he can use the points as proof and then, you know, refresh the screen to show that he's got credibility. And then it's kind of like a cycle. They'll get a new crop of people coming in saying, hey, he's got all of these points, he's trustworthy, let me go check it out. But for the most part, he's making money by referring this platform, this website, other people. It's not possible for you to earn 20 cents per click. You actually have to either refer other people. Another thing I guess he could have done is he could have just manually added or purchased points, because you can do that too. You can go through, buy points. I don't know why you would buy points for this website, but this is another way to go. So part one, setup is super easy, stupid simple, stupid easy. Part two, you're not going to make any money. You're going to waste time. You're going to waste energy. You're going to waste frustration. Part three, is there a better way to make money? Yes, just about any other way to make money online is a better way. If you did micro tasks with Mechanical Turkey, even though I am steadfastly against it, that's a better way. What I would recommend that you do is create unique original content. Create TikTok videos, create YouTube videos, create blog posts, create Pinterest pins, create content and help somebody solve a problem. Every single day, millions of people are going to the internet because they have a problem. They want to know where to buy stuff. They want to know, can their dogs eat certain foods? They want to know, can humans eat certain things? You simply just create content about that, answering that question, and then you can make money by selling a digital product. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You could make money in a variety of ways. You could just make money by the YouTube Partner Program and letting YouTube run ads on your content. Now, ultimately, I recommend that you should show up and be on camera. Have your face on camera. Nobody cares what you look. Nobody cares what you sound like. Nobody cares if you have a face for radio. The only thing people really care about is if you can solve their problem. If you can solve their problem, they will buy, they will watch your content, they will become a follower of yours. So whatever mental roadblocks you set up for yourself, it's all mental, and nobody on the outside world really cares. I actually saw an interesting stat a few weeks ago. There are 8 billion people in the world. If 99% of the world thought you were god ugly, there's still millions of people that think you're attractive. So you need to do whatever it takes to psych yourself up to show up on camera. Simply put, I think that in the next coming months, we're going to have an ad apocalypse. And the ad apocalypse this time is going to be based around all of the AI content that's out there. In fact, YouTube and TikTok are asking people to self-identify when you have created AI generated content. And I think that it's only a matter of time. We're going to start seeing advertisers pull out because there's too much AI content content and they are losing ad dollars and they're not seeing a return on their investment. So what I recommend that you do, if you really want to stand out for the crowd in 2024 going forward, go up on camera, find one problem to solve and solve that problem again and again and again. Let me give you a quick example. All right, so I'm here in a paid keyword research tool. You could do this with other free keyword research tools too, but you can type in "can dogs eat?" Hit enter. And you're gonna see that there are 27,000 keywords and it's searched literally 4.5 million times per month. And people are asking, can their dogs eat certain foods? Now, can their dogs eat certain foods is just a minor issue. The bigger issue is that they need to train their dog. And if you think about it that way, you will have a ton of ideas or opportunities for monetization. Another one is can you eat? Can you eat? Hit enter once again, and you can see there are 124,000 keywords and it's searched 3.5 million times per month. A lot of these are all you can eat sushi, but people are going to be asking, can you eat salmon skin? People are going to be asking, can you eat acorns? And this is searched by itself 6.3 thousand times per month. Now, there are a bunch of different ways that you could go with this. Some people are like doomsday preppers and they want to know if you can eat acorns if you're spending 20 weeks out in the wild by yourself. They want to know what foods you can eat. People are asking about freeze-dried stuff. Also, as I mentioned before, where to buy. If you look at where to buy, people are looking up questions like where to buy stamps and dry ice and Powerball tickets and gold and PS5. You could create a TikTok video or YouTube video answering these questions and then potentially put your affiliate links in the description and make money. This is a much more sustainable way than going to these websites and trying to make money and trying to monetize. But honestly, I can't see this website being around for a long time. We look at it because there's no way to withdraw the money. So now that you know that this will not work for you, watch this video next because I show you step by step how you can get started with affiliate marketing.